Do you want to change your TikTok username? You can quickly update your unique account handle and change your profile link in just a few seconds. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change the username on your TikTok account, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the Edit Profile button located right under your profile picture. Once the edit screen opens, look for the option labeled Username and tap on it. Clear out your current handle and type in the new unique username you want to use. Make sure you see a green checkmark appear next to the field, which confirms that the name is available. After entering your new username, tap on the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. Your new handle will be saved instantly, and your profile web link will also change to match it. Remember that you can only change your unique username once every 30 days, so make sure you choose a name you love.